Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and to any of you guys that don't know, this is my Razer MX350. And this is what it was a few months ago. And I was gonna do a build on it at 500 subscribers, but I decided not to because it would be too small, too fast, and has no suspension at all. So today we're going to be cleaning it up and I'm going to list it. Sadly I will, but there's nothing else you can do. There's like, whoa. But yeah, and we do have a package for it, so let's go do an unboxing. Alright, so now you guys can probably tell what it is by the shape of it, but let's unbox it. Smells like tire. It's gonna be for the back tire of the Razer because the tire was just really bad on it, and we're getting a new one for the back, like especially because that's where the motor's gonna be running. It's gonna be doing the most work, so yeah. But for 500, I'm gonna do something even better, so stay tuned for that. But anyways, let's get this tire on the wheel. Alright, we got it on. And it's literally like almost pitch black, so we're gonna have to do everything tonight. Let's get the Razer in here and let's start building it. Alright, enough messing around, now let's continue this build. But guys, as you can probably tell, it looks pretty dirty, so let's go wash it real quick. Alright, so I have it here. I also want to make the wheels look good. Oh, well, I might not be able to do tomorrow pics because I still have to spray paint the plastics black. So I'll probably do it tomorrow evening. But anyways, let's get to washing it. Alright, I have everything sprayed down. Now I just need to wipe it down, and then I'm going to have to wash off the frame with some water. So let's do that. Alright. Dang. Alright, now I'm gonna flip it over really quick. Alright, now I'm gonna wipe it up. Okay, I'm gonna come back when it's all wiped up. Alright, so now I have it all wiped down. Everything is washed. Now let's take it back inside, put the wheels on, and tomorrow I'm gonna paint the plastics. So anyways, let's get inside. Alright guys, it's been like 3 weeks. It's been a while, but we finally got the paint, and it was really bad weather, so I didn't want to do it. So anyways, we got the paint and we got all the plastics out. And now we're gonna paint it and make it look really good. So for this, we're gonna take off this number 2 We're just gonna spray paint this whole thing black. Alright, we have it off. And dang, that thing got dirty, but alright. Because I did spray paint it before, but the white just doesn't look good. I mean, it kind of does, but we ran out of white spray paint. And I feel like black would just look cleaner. But let's go to the woods and start painting these. So I forgot the spray paint, so let's go get it. Okay, more stuff first. But you guys should like and sub, because we're going to be doing a lot more of this. And anyways, comment down below what you like about this video and what you want to see more on my channel. Anyways, let's continue. Okay, I'll be back in a little bit. I'm gonna go and let these dry. Let's go. You guys can probably not really see anything, but we're back in the woods and it's nighttime, and we're gonna get these. We're gonna do another coat tomorrow, and then I think we'll be done. We'll put them on and we'll list the razor. So anyways, let's get these inside. Alright, time for the second coat. Let's go. I'm gonna switch to when I'm in the house and these are dried, and I'm gonna put them on. Anyways, let's do it. Alright guys, we are back and I'm so excited to put this thing together because we have been doing this for a little while. The first thing we're gonna start with is probably putting all the plastics together, of course. Wait, dang, that actually looks clean. Guys, this is gonna be all we are gonna have done for tonight. Anyways, I'm gonna skip to tomorrow. Alright guys, it's the next day and this thing is looking so clean. So all we have to do is get the wheels on and get these things on, and we're literally done. And then literally just list it. Right. Alright guys, so we have everything screwed on and we already listed it, took pictures, and now we just have to wait for someone to message us. So anyways,